If you're seeing a Photoshop uninstall error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the safest and most reliable ways to remove Photoshop from your computer when the normal uninstall method fails. This is especially helpful if Photoshop is stuck, Adobe services are still running in the background, or Creative Cloud keeps throwing an error. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to close the interfering processes, uninstall Photoshop properly through Creative Cloud, and use Adobe's Cleaner Tool if needed. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is close any background processes that may be blocking the uninstall. A Photoshop uninstall error often happens because Adobe apps are still active, even if the main window is closed. To do this on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and end anything related to Adobe. That includes Adobe Photoshop, Adobe IE Broker, .exe Broker.exe, Creative Cloud, and Adobe Desktop Service. If you see more than one Adobe process, close them all one by one. This step is important because as long as Adobe services are still running, the uninstall may fail or freeze. After closing those background processes, try the uninstall again. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to use the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This is usually the most reliable way to uninstall Photoshop. Open the Creative Cloud application on your computer and sign in if needed. From the left side or the Apps section, go to Installed Apps and find Photoshop in the list. Next to Photoshop, click the three dots or the More Actions menu. From the options that appear, choose Uninstall. Adobe may ask whether you want to keep your preferences or remove them completely. If you plan to reinstall Photoshop later, keeping preferences may be fine. If you want a clean removal, choose the option to remove them. Then follow the on-screen prompts and wait for the uninstall to complete. In many cases, this will remove Photoshop without any problems. But if Creative Cloud itself is broken, won't open properly, or keeps showing an error, then it's time to use Adobe's Cleaner Tool. This is a more advanced cleanup method, and it's designed for situations where normal uninstall tools do not work. Download the Adobe CC Cleaner Tool from Adobe's official source, then run it on your computer. Depending on your system, you may need to approve a security prompt or allow the tool to make changes. Once it opens, follow the instructions in the terminal or command prompt carefully. You'll be asked to choose your operating system and then select what you want to clean. In most cases, you can choose to clean Creative Cloud Desktop and installed Adobe apps, or specifically Photoshop if that option is available. This tool removes leftover files and broken installation data that may be causing the uninstall error. After the cleaner finishes, restart your computer so all changes fully take effect. Then check whether Photoshop has been removed successfully. If not, you can repeat the uninstall steps again after the restart. A few extra tips can also help prevent uninstall issues in the future. Make sure all Adobe programs are closed before you uninstall anything. Restarting your computer before trying again can often clear stuck processes. If you're using a work or school computer, check that you have permission to remove installed apps. And if you ever plan to reinstall Photoshop later, it's a good idea to note whether you kept or removed your preferences during uninstall. At this point, you should be able to fix most Photoshop uninstall errors using one of these methods. Start with Task Manager, move to the Creative Cloud app, and if necessary, use the Adobe Cleaner Tool as a final step. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.